The management of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, has paid a condolence visit to the former First Lady Hajia Dr. Maryam Abacha in Abuja on Sunday, the 5th of March 2023. The team, which was led by the founder and chairman governing council of MAAUN, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, was in Abuja to condole the bereaved family over the death of Abdullahi Abacha, who died on Saturday, the 4th of March 2023. Among the top management staff members that accompanied Professor Gwarzo to the condolence visit were the President of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Vice President Administration Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, and the Director Academic Planning and Quality Assurance Dr. Noura Iyaru. Others were Dr. Ibrahim Lawal, Director Linkages, Dr. Bala Muhammad Tukur, and Director Protocol Dr. Yunusa Haruna, among others. The team, which was received on arrival by Muhammad Abacha and other members of the family, prayed to Almighty Allah to forgive the deceased all his shortcomings and admit him in Jannatul Firdaus. They also prayed to God to give the family the courage to bear the great loss. The team has since returned to Kano after the visit.